now making stallions by the group type shit. That's some thick shit. I just thought you knew type shit. I just tricked off.